Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to take a quick look at a STROMAB STA3J0 frame panel and door clamp. This is a fully mechanical clamp, very low maintenance. It will last a very long time. It is clean. I know you're looking at it and saying, well, there's a lot of chips on the paint, but the rails themselves have not been dinged up by hammers. That is extremely common in frame clamps. They're usually they've just been hit with hammers multiple times to pull work pieces in and out, and there's usually a lot of damage on that steel. So the actual work surfaces are extremely clean on this machine. If you were to take your clamps and move them to your furthest pin set out, you would have 116 inches of width. You do have 47 inches in height, and this is the max capacity. So your max capacity again is 47 by 116. That's rather large. You do have 2 1/8 inches of depth here, 4 1/2 inches wide on your rails. This is a dual palm operated machine. You simply take your 2 fingers and hit both your buttons and hold them. Everything is going to come in. And then when you want to turn it off, you're going to hit your black button, which is going to release pressure. To adjust to a smaller size, you're going to have to turn your air off because the pneumatic cylinders do put pressure on your adjustment assembly. So you're simply going to want to release air. And it is a simple manual lowering machine. You could also probably put a chuck in here, as this is a very simple mechanism. It's just a floating handle. And you could probably put a chuck for a drill on here or an impact. And this is this STROMAB's smallest capacity, which is going to be 10 inches by 15 inches. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.